Today we are with the MLA of Jorhat, Mr. Hitendranath Goswami.
I think this is a very good question for me because I was MLA here for 15 years earlier also continuously. But at the time the financial condition of the country as well as state was not at all good, and so we couldn't do much development work during my that 15 years period. But this time BJP has again last 2016 again choose me as their candidate and gave me this opportunity. I am very happy to tell you that I have received around 1,000 for development of my constituency. So that money has been spent judiciously and without any corruption charges, and that's why that my constituency has developed a lot, and I have developed lots of things in Jorhat.
So I spoke to a couple of people here and everybody mentioned the arsenic-free water supply.
Yeah.
So what is that project all about?
Actually, I must give thanks to to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, because when he came to Jorhat in 2009 as a Chief Minister of Gujarat to canvass for the BJP AGP that alliance was there, Prime Minister said that the Chief Minister, who is from Jorhat, failed to give arsenic-free water in spite of he's in power for quite a long time. So that way he has criticized, and later I took that clue from him, and when I become the MLA last 5 years back, then I have seen that there is a project of 300 crores financed by World Bank, but which was not utilized properly by our earlier government, Congress government. So I took immediate steps, and I am very much happy that in spite of Corona epidemic, within 3.5 years, we have completed the project, at least project to the sense that we have managed to get the arsenic-free water now. Treatment plant is ready, the pipeline is ready. Now the problem is to how to give this water to the villages. We have to cover around 60 panchayats, so quite a huge number of people we have to cover. And now last February, I have managed to keep in 3 panchayats. All people are getting arsenic-free water, and I am hopeful that within December, all my constituencies, all panchayats will receive this arsenic-free water. Now I have another problem to give arsenic-free water to the town area, because it is for only panchayat areas. So I have submitted 116 crores project to the central government. I am very hopeful that I will be able to give that arsenic-free water to Jorhat town also, and it will save the people from arsenic consumption of arsenic, and which is very harmful for any humankind, human body.
Sir, so my last question to you would be, what are the other things, what are the next infra projects planned for Jorhat?
Actually, I have constructed all the roads of Jorhat town, thanks to the government again, my state government as well as central government, because of fund, no, with all drains, and these are all scientifically planned. We have taken help from ISRO also, because we have a station at Shillong. We have to see the topography, no? So those things also we have taken into account. And now Jorhat is earlier artificial flood was there during rainy days. Now it is a totally free artificial rainwater free Jorhat, and I am very much hopeful that in panchayat areas also we have started. My next aim is next 5 years all the villages will convert into Pakka road, and I think there's one project, another major step which we have taken, and around 5 flyover we have initiated, and now 2 have already started working. Another is expected to will start in May or June, because DPR is already approved. Now another 2 flyover we are planning at Jorhat. One at the main busy road, that will flyover to save the people, to save time for the people who travel across the Jorhat, and another one at very congested area where railway station is there. There will be another flyover. And I have done one wonderful thing. I have constructed an exclusive women market. Okay, this is 26 crores rupees project, and because of the land, we could start the work at last year, but this time this work will be started because contractor has been chosen by department, and this 26 crores of women market will pave the way to the all women who are entrepreneurs now. And I have given one thing, that the owner should be women, and the sales, there will be no salesman, there will be all sales girl. people, the gent will only go and purchase. And this will be a very wonderful project. And I have done another thing, some plazas will be constructed around the market so that father can go with their children, they can sit there, enjoy, and their wife can go and they can do the marketing.
Lovely. Thank you so much for talking to New India Junction, sir.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. This is my pleasure also.